CBSE Class 7 Poem 9 Garden Snake by Muriel L. Sonne. Solution, Summary and Question Answers. Garden Snake Summary. The poem Garden Snake is a simplistic description of a harmless snake. The young child narrator encounters a snake in the garden and runs away from it out of fear. However, his mother informs him that certain kinds of snakes are not dangerous at all. They feed merely on insects. The young child narrator loses his fear, therefore begins to watch the snake passing through the garden. So this is a poem. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say, but mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch him pass and tell myself there is no mistake. It's just a harmless garden snake. The above lines have been taken from Muriel L. Sonne's poem Garden Snake. The context: the poet describes how the child's fear gets replaced and he is able to watch the snake with delight. Explanation: the young child narrator sees the snakes and runs away thinking the snake to be dangerous. His mother, however, tells him that some particular kinds of snakes are not dangerous but good. They eat nothing but insects. Thereafter, the narrator, no longer afraid, used to stand aside and see the snake wiggle in the grass. Every time the narrator sees the garden snake, he reminds himself that there is nothing wrong as this is just a harmless garden snake. So first question, answer the following. Pick out the lines that suggest the child is afraid of snakes. Answer is, I saw a snake and ran away. The second question in this, which line shows a complete change of child's attitude towards snakes? I will stand aside and watch him pass. And the third question is, but mother says that kind is good. What is mother referring to? The mother is referring to the garden snake. Now question number 2 is, find the word that refers to the snake's movement in the grass. Wiggle. There are 4 pairs of rhyming words in the poem. What are they? Good, foot, pass, grass, away, say, mistake, snake. Question 4. A snake has no legs or feet, but it moves very fast. Can you guess how? A snake has no legs or feet. It wiggles on the surface. Can you recall the word used for cobra's long, sharp teeth? Where did you come across this word first? So this can be your own answer. A cobra's long teeth are called fangs. I first came across this word on National Geographic Channel or Discovery Channel, whatever it is. Very short answer type questions. Why did the narrator run away seeing the garden snake? The narrator thought the snake to be dangerous and out of fear he ran away. What does a garden snake eat? A garden snake survives on insects. So short answers. First question. What makes the child comfortable the next time he sees the garden snake? The first time the child sees a snake, he overcomes his fear. However, on being told by his mother that this particular snake is not dangerous, the child becomes comfortable the next time when he encounters the garden snake. What lesson does the child narrator learn from his mother? The young child narrator, in his ignorance, had assumed all kinds of snakes to be dangerous. However, from his mother, he learned that not every kind of snake is dangerous. Some are dangerous and most of it are not. This makes him peacefully admire the garden snake whenever he saw it next. Also, the narrator learned that it is important to gather knowledge about any new object or creature one encounters before making one's opinion. So, extract based question. Read the extract given below and answer the following question. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say, but mother says that kind is good and eats up insect for his food. So this is a lines. These are the lines. Why do you think the child ran away on seeing the snake? Because the snake is very dangerous. Is a very dangerous creature, and its fear is generally instilled in everybody from his childhood. What does the child's mother say about snakes? The child's mother tells him that the kind of snake that he saw was not so dangerous. It lived on insects only and did not harm others. Is it good to play with snakes which are not very dangerous? No, one should not at all do the courage of playing with the snakes, because one cannot recognize which snakes are poisonous and which are not poisonous. If you know to recognize which are poisonous, then which are not poisonous, then you can play with that. Fourth question, why are snakes dangerous according to you? Because they look very dangerous, because their venom is poisonous, because they make terrible sounds. Both A and B, they look very dangerous and venom is poisonous. Why does the snake kill insects? Because he wants to eat them as a food. What does the poet refer to as they in the above stanza? Snakes, snake catchers, trees and bushes, gentle people, gentle people. Thank you.